Welcome. Today we will overview the 2025 Fiat Fullback Pickup. Is a fascinating blend of power and elegance, a true contender in the pickup class. This vehicle is not just a Fiat with a badge, but a Mitsubishi L200 in disguise. The Fullback is Fiat's first attempt at a pickup, and it has managed. Offers more space and, to base the truck's mechanical features on the well-established Mitsubishi L200. It features a double cab body that comfort, power, and performance. The Fullback is equipped with a 2.4-liter diesel engine. 2 power outputs are available from this engine: 148 BP and 178 BP. The low-power model only comes with a manual transmission, while the other variant has the choice of manual or automatic transmission. The Fullback solid construction is evident as soon as you start the engine. It rattles under hard acceleration, but settles down with a relatively quiet cruise. The steering offers good weight and more precision than many rivals. However, it's worth remembering that this is a pickup truck designed to haul more than a ton of cargo in the cargo area. More than 3 tons, and cope with rough off-road driving. Date of release. Although the exact release date for the Fiat Fullback Pickup 2025 has not yet been confirmed, it is expected to hit the market in late 2025. Price. The 2025 Fiat Fullback Pickup is expected to cost $112,000. However, given the pricing of previous models, it is expected to be